How to find email notifications settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email notifications settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications. Now scroll down and here you will find the emails. Click on it. And as you see here, you can manage email notification settings, and you can change anything you want here, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.